everyone, let me begin with the news headlines. Elderly parents abandoned by children. This is not a hoax. We hear this news far too often that we literally see it as a commonality social level. I'm Pooja, a member of Sanskar, a revival program for regaining the lost respect and companionship towards elderly in the new generation people, which includes us. It's not just stories, but legacies left by our ancestors that form the backbone of Sanskar. Indian culture, which teaches us the honor code towards behavior of our society, says that life begins from the feet of our elderly, and this is the motto of our ideology, Dharohar Apno Ki. Heritage is not a story, but inheritance of our generation. Senior care is not just a duty, but also our pride. So join in this goodwill initiative from us. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Soumya Agrawal. I have recently done my graduation from Banasthali Vidyapeeth in interior designing. I got to know about Sanskar from one of my friends. I immediately got connected with it because it is for the betterment of the senior citizens, and also it is one of the way through which we youth can bring smile back on the senior citizens' faces. Also, through this NGO, I want to bring the awareness and importance of grandparents in the society, which is somehow vanished due to active indulgence of youth into gadgets and technology. So let's stand together and serve the society.
My name is Paulimi Chatterjee and I am the YouTube handler of Sanskar along with my colleague Naman Jain. I believe it's just merely the good intentions towards senior citizens which makes you a part of Sanskar as well, and it's not just the 8 of us who have formed this organization. My journey in Sanskar so far has been a very thrilling roller coaster journey because it has been providing me with several opportunities to showcase my talent, to showcase my creative side. Even though I have just entered my career path being a second year law student, and I already have a legitimate platform to voice my own opinions, which is honestly such a fulfilling feeling, and I can't be thankful enough to Sanskar for providing me this platform. And I can't wait to do more of Sanskar and spread more Sanskar.
Hi everyone, my name is Naman Jain and I'm in second year pursuing BB LLB in Bennett University. I handle YouTube content of Sanskar. I believe in companionship and security of the senior citizens, and that's what led me and my fellow members to set up this initiative named as Sanskar. Here at Sanskar, we not only try to make connection with the senior citizens, rather we also support and inculcate companionship feelings for the senior citizens among the youth like us. In this changing world of increasing technology, it is evident that youth like us have lost one or the other thing. But the thing that is common between us is Sanskar. The motive to retain those Sanskar among the youth named this organization as Sanskar. It have been a few months with Sanskar and have already made my grandfather and grandmother happy by small initiatives of writing letters and talking to them. What else do I want in this world to be happy? This is the thing that we want to get promoted, and we believe that a small initiative can drag our modern youth back to the old times. The old times which we even don't have witnessed ourselves, as we are also the new blood. I request everyone listening me to extend their hands in this initiative, and making our grandparents and family members happy is not at all a bad idea. Family is not an important thing, it's just everything.
Hello everyone, this is Shubhangi Das and I am the content writer for Sanskar. To start with, a big difference can be brought by a small initiative, and Sanskar is a step forward towards it. The neglected batch in our society is indeed senior citizens, and we, being the youth, we need to do something for their betterment. Being a part of Sanskar has provided me with an opportunity to do that something, and also a platform to showcase my talent and to speak my views out without being judged. The team in Sanskar is a very active one and always working together for the betterment. Till now, this has been an amazing journey, and me being in a second year of my law school and getting this opportunity and being a part of such an initiative is a privilege. and this I definitely want to thank Sanskar. Thank you, Sanskar, and hope to work more and more for the betterment and spread the Sanskar. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Aniket Garg and I heartily welcome you all in the Sanskar धरोहर अपनों की है because this is our dream project and हम चाहते हैं कि इसमें आप सब भी अपना योगदान दें एंड सोसाइटी का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है सीनियर सिटीजन्स, जिसमें हम लोगों को उनका देखभाल करना चाहिए, उनका रख रखाव करना चाहिए। आजकल जैसा कि आप सब लोग देखते हैं कि हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं इस बदलते ज़माने में अपने बड़ों को भूल गए हैं। तो आइए, ये एक छोटी सी पहल है उन सबको याद करने के लिए और उनके साथ अपना प्रेम स्नेह बनाए रखिए और उनका आशीर्वाद लेते रहिए। ये एक छोटी सी मुहिम, छोटी सी पहल हमारे थ्रू, और इसका आप सब लोग सहयोग कीजिए और इसके साथ जुड़िए एंड वील डेफिनेटली वर्क हार्ड इन दिस फील्ड एंड इफ़ यू ऑल जॉइन अस देन वी कैन से कि हम लोग एक बहुत अच्छा चेंज ला सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड प्लीज़ नीचे दिए हुए कैप्शन एंड बायो को लाइक करके आप हमारे पेजेस पे भी जा सकते हैं एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो share, subscribe, comment and yes, thank you very much for listening this video and watching this video. Thank you and please संस्कार के साथ जुड़ना ना भूलिए।